Hello, my dear student. How are you all? Everyone fine? Today I am here to make an announcement for all my CAinter students who is going to write the examination for November 2021 attempt, which is going to be held in the next month, that is December 2021. The announcement is that I am coming one day live in YouTube, in which I will be covering entire accounting standard for Group 1. What is the objective of this live session? That will target all the area where you do mistake in accounting standard, and will be targeting all important examination questions so that you can score good marks in accounting standard. As we all know that in CAinter accounting paper, normally 20 to 25 marks questions will come from accounting standard, and if you can score good marks in accounting standard, you can easily score exemption in paper 1. So to score exemption in paper 1, of course you need to score very good marks in accounting standard. For that, a revision is required. So in this live lectures, I'll be interacting with you live, so that we can find out the area where you require conceptual understanding, and of course we'll take some good questions so that all the doubts of accounting standard will be covered from examination point of view. So which date this live session will happen? So the date will be 20 November, and it will start 8 a.m. in the morning. Now of course one question is coming in your mind, so what about accounting standard for group 2? So let me complete the entire revision of accounting standard group 1. Of course I'll be coming with accounting standard group 2, but let me first complete this, then we'll announce the date for accounting standard revision for group 2 also. I hope you have understood. We'll meet on 20 November 8 a.m. in the morning. All the updates about this live lecture will be given in my Telegram channel, for which the Telegram channel link is given in the description of the video. Join that channel. All the updates will be given in that channel. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet on 20th November. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your preparation. Bye bye. All the best. Bye bye.